All right, welcome back all my crypto enthusiasts to this crypto and blockchain updates. I'm Santosh Surendran, Director Analytics, Balamont Analytica Incorporated. Crypto data shown in this video is based on Wednesday, 17th November 2021. Mobile phone viewers try to view this video in landscape mode for better data readability. We select only currencies with a market cap that has an impact on the market. Let's start the update with the highlights of the day. Price statistic, top 3 currencies, top gainer and loser, Indian crypto news. Let's proceed with the first session of this update. Price statistics, top 3 currencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum and Binance Coin are the top currencies. Let's see the detailed statistic. Prices: Bitcoin 60,344.21 US dollars, Ethereum 4,216.02 US dollars, Binance 590.10 US dollars. Market dominance: Bitcoin 43.17%, Ethereum 18.96%, Binance 3.74%. Market cap: Bitcoin 1.14 trillion US dollars. Also see this in comparison with Apple Incorporated's market cap of 2.483 trillion US dollars. Ethereum 500.36 billion US dollars, Binance 98.60 billion US dollars. Trading volume: Bitcoin 43.90 billion US dollars. Also see this in comparison with Apple Incorporated's trading volume of 151 million US dollars, Ethereum 25.40 billion US dollars, Binance 3.52 billion US dollars. Let's proceed to the next session of the update. Top gainer and loser. Top gainer: Avalanche is the top gainer with a 6.78% increase in the previous day. Price 96.73 US dollars. Market dominance 0.79%. Top loser: Terra is the top loser with a 7.79% decrease in the previous day. Price 43.16 US dollars. Market dominance 0.72%. Let's proceed to the last session of this update, Indian crypto news. As per Samayam report on 5th November 2021, crypto investments rises. Engineers are not available. More job opportunities in cryptocurrency for job seekers in the engineering sector and international companies seeking experts from India. According to a recruitment company called Xfeno, there are currently 10,000 jobs in crypto exchanges in India alone. One of the leading exchanges in India, Coinbase, has set up a special technology center in Hyderabad, India, for research and development for crypto technologies for the future. My opinion on this news: as India becoming the biggest crypto markets in the world, many Indian IT engineers benefits this in areas like blockchain specialists, security engineers, Replex developers and backend developers. Disclaimer: read full disclaimer document carefully before making investment decisions. Courtesy data coinmarketcap.com and finance.yahoo.com. Video footages ydc.com. Follow Balamont Analytica Incorporated for updates on cryptocurrency and blockchain. That's all in this update. Have a great time ahead.